Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to put the clock behind your wallpaper on your iPhone lock screen using the depth effect feature. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. Once, go to your lock screen and long press on an empty area until the customization options appear. Tap on Customize to continue. Now it's time to choose your wallpaper. When selecting a photo, make sure it has a clear subject in the foreground and a visible background behind it. Photos with objects like people, trees, pets, cars, or buildings usually work best because the iPhone can easily separate the foreground from the background. After selecting your photo, check that the depth effect is enabled. Tap the three dots on the right side and make sure the depth effect option is turned on. If it's disabled, the clock won't go behind the image. Next, slightly zoom in on your photo until the main object overlaps the clock area. Once the object covers part of the clock, the system will automatically place the clock behind it, creating that layered look. You can also tap and drag the clock handle to resize the clock. Making it larger can help trigger the depth effect and push the clock behind the object in your photo. Keep in mind that not all photos work the same way. Images with a strong, darker foreground usually give the best results. So try a few different photos and see which one looks best. And that's it! Now you know how to put the clock behind your wallpaper on iPhone using the depth effect feature.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.